Good morning, 7th class children. 7th class. In previous classes, we are doing sets chapter, 5th chapter. Easy. It is continued in 8th, 9th class and also in 10th class. So you please learn now itself. It is also there in 6th class. Sets, what is the meaning of set? Set is nothing but collection of defined objects. The set of 7th class students, set of 7th class boys, the set of 7th class girls, the set of cricket players, the set of mathematics teachers in Telangana, the set of mathematics teachers in Nalgonda district. We can write the elements. So like that we can define. And what are the sets which are not defined, objects which are not defined? Not defined meaning is beautiful. The set of collection of beautiful things, interesting stories, and the best student, because the best player, it is these are the terms not defined because it varies from person to person. What you like, others may not like. What you dislike, others may like. So it is one film is very interesting for you. The same film may not be interested in your with others. Others may not like. See, like these such terms are not such objects are not defined. And we are learning types of sets: empty set, singleton set, finite set, infinite set, subset, equal set, subset and universal set, and equal set, equivalent set, like that. And overlap sets, disjoint. Right, there are 12 types of sets, but we are learning only few in 6th class, learning few in 7th class, learning few in 8th class. Right. Now in 7th, yesterday we did some questions. Today, state the cardinal number of the following sets. Question number 4, page 100. Those who are not having textbooks, please borrow or purchase. Now see, state the cardinal number state the cardinal number of the following sets. Of the following sets. Of the following sets. This is the question. Cardinal number means the number of elements in the set. One problem. Set A, set of letters. Set of letters in the word. Look, given. This is the problem given. So in the word look, how many elements are there? Number of elements L. There are O repeated. Take one only. 1, 2, 3. So cardinal number of set A is equal to 3 only. So you write number of elements. Actually here are four letters are there, but one letter is repeated. Right? Only one. Like second question, set B triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon. They are different figures. Set B also having number of elements 3. C 0, only one element. So n of C is 1. 0 also one element. So you write number of cardinal number of C. Set C is 1. 4. Prime numbers less than 6. 4, 7. No name given. Prime numbers less than 6. Prime numbers we know 2, 3, 5. These are the prime numbers. So n of p also 3. Less than 6 prime numbers are 2, 3, 5. Like that. Simply we have to write, count the elements and write. That is called cardinal number. Fourth, fifth, D. Colors of rainbow. Colors of rainbow. Colors of rainbow we know which are V, I, B, G, Y, O, R. Count. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 colors are there. So n of D, n of D is 7. Next, sixth. Square numbers less than 6. Question says set number square number less than 6. Less than 6. Square number 1, 4. Only 2. So cardinal number set E are 2. 7. Quadrilaters with 5 sides. Quadrilaters F. Quadrilaters F. Quadrilaters with 5 sides. With 5 sides. We have only pentagons, so only one. So n of f is equal to 1 only. Pentagons with 5 sides. 8. Set G given. X is such that x belongs to N. X lies between 5 and 9. 5 and 9. See, between 5 and 9 means the integers will get 6, 7, 8. Between 5 and 9. 5 is not included and 9 also not included. Between 5 and 9, these are the 3 letters, 3 numbers. So n of G is equal to cardinal number of G is 3. Like that. we have to do this. Cardinal number means only number of elements or number of objects in the set. You please count and do. And tomorrow other problems. 5b. 5b 4. 3 3 1 4 3 5 7 6 2 7 0 quadrilaterals with 5 sides. Yes, we have pentagons. Quadrilateral. Quadri means 4. Here meaning quadrilateral meaning is 4, but giving only 4 sides. But it is okay. So like that we completed this problem. Tomorrow please follow. Listen first what I am saying, then see what I am writing, then try to understand, then only you copy on your notes.